everyone. Today, let's learn interesting mathematical knowledge. Inverse proportional function is an interesting function. What is inverse proportional function? The concept of inverse proportional function. Of course, in general, if the correspondence between two variables x and y can be expressed in the form like this: y equals k divided by x. Of course, k is a constant. K is not zero. Then y is said to be the inverse proportional function of x. Let's learn solution of the inverse proportional function expression. The method is indeterminate coefficient method. First, set the function expression as y equals k divided by x, and then list the equation about k according to the condition and find the value of k. The important thing is the value of k. Then so as to obtain the desired function expression. And let's learn some example. For example 1, please have a look. There's the following relation. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 8 example where y is common denominator of the inverse proportional function of x. Which one is the inverse proportional function? Let's have a look. The first, y equals 2 times x, 2x. Of course, we know this is a what function? Of course, it's a proportional function. It's not inverse proportional function. Here it's not. 2, y divided by x equals 5. Of course, it's another proportional function. It's not an inverse proportional function. 3, y equals -7 divided by x. Of course, here we can, the inverse k means -7. Of course, here is a right inverse proportional function. Then y equals 5x plus 1. Of course, is a line function. Not inverse proportional function. Here, of course, here is not inverse. Here we can know here the inverse proportional function k is equals 1. Here is right. Here x times y equals 11. Right. Here y equals -2 divided by 2x. Here is the inverse k is -3 divided by 2, or -3 over 2 is right. It's a inverse proportional function. So we know here there's 4 inverse proportional function. Which one we can choose? Of course, we can choose the right answer is A. There's 4 inverse proportional function. Let's go on. Example 2. Given y equals the coefficient is m plus 1 and the index is square of m minus 2. It's an inverse function of x. The value of m is what? We know here equals the inverse proportional function k. K is not 0, and here the coefficient, it must be which one? It must be 1. So we can know m plus 1 equals 1. And here the squares of m minus 2 equals which one? Equals -1. So we know m equals 1 or m equals -1. But here m is not -1. So we can choose m equals 1. M is 1. So we can choose the right answer is C. Let's go on. Let's have a look. Look example 3. The area of triangle is 15 square centimeter. One side is x centimeter long and the height of the side is y centimeter. Write the relationship between y and x and find the value of y when x is 5. We know the triangle, of course, here triangle, the area of triangle equals x times y, half of x times y. X times y is the area. So here area is 15 square centimeter, and so half of x times y equals 15. That is why can expression like 30 divided by x. When x is 5, of course y is equals 30 divided by 5, of course it equals 6. So we can get the right answer is 6. Let's join the method of inverse proportional function image. We know the image of function is very important. And what is the inverse proportional function? Of course, we can steps drawing the function image this dot line. We know these 3 steps. List dot line. And feature of inverse function image with image of the inverse function y equals k divided by x. Of course, k is not 0. Can see 2 curves. If k is greater than 0, 2 curves are located in the fourth and the third quadrant respectively. When k is less than 0, or if the k is greater than 0, the line is in the not line. The 2 curves are in the fourth and the third quadrants respectively. But if the k is less than 0, of course it's in the second and fourth. Example, let's do some example. Example 4. Plot the function y equals 8 divided by x and y equals -8 divided by x in the same rectangular coordinate system. Which one is y equals 8? When k is 8, k is greater than 0. Of course, it is in the first and the second. If the k equals -8, it's less than 0. It's in the second and the fourth. Here is the 2 steps of inverse proportional function. If you have any question, please feel free to send me a message.
Let's go! My